Here are some tips for kids to learn English more quickly. Start early. The earlier children start learning a new language, the easier it is for them to become fluent. Introduce English as a second language from a young age. Immersive environment. Create an English-speaking environment at home. Label common items in English, watch English cartoons or movies, and listen to English songs or stories. Use visual aids. Utilize flashcards, picture books, and educational apps with colorful visuals to make learning more engaging and memorable. Interactive learning. Encourage conversation and interaction in English. Engage in English conversations with your child regularly, even if it's just basic phrases at first. Storytelling. Read English storybooks to your child regularly. Encourage them to narrate stories in English, which helps with vocabulary and sentence structure. Games and activities. Incorporate English into games and activities. Play word games, do English puzzles, or create English-themed crafts and art projects. Language apps and websites. There are many kid-friendly language learning apps and websites available. These interactive tools can make learning more enjoyable. Join language classes. Consider enrolling your child in English language classes or programs designed for kids. These classes often use games and activities to teach language skills. Labeling and label recognition. Label objects around the house with their English names. Encourage your child to identify these objects in English. Practice listening. Watch English language cartoons or shows with your child. This helps improve listening comprehension and pronunciation. Playdates with English-speaking friends. Arrange playdates with other kids who speak English. Interacting with native speakers can be very beneficial. Use bilingual books. Read bilingual books that provide text in both English and your child's native language. This can help them make connections between the two languages. Celebrate progress. Celebrate milestones and progress in their language learning journey. Positive reinforcement can motivate kids to keep learning. Consistency. Consistency is key. Ensure that your child is exposed to English regularly, even if it's just for short periods each day. Patience and encouragement. Be patient and encouraging. Learning a new language can be challenging, so provide support and praise your child's efforts. Travel and cultural experiences. If possible, travel to English-speaking countries or expose your child to English-speaking cultures. Immersion experiences can be very effective. Remember that every child learns at their own pace, so it's important not to rush the process. Make learning English a fun and enjoyable experience, and your child will be more motivated to continue improving their language skills.